Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting JavaScript tutorial in store for you. We will be diving into the art of styling console results because debugging doesn't have to be done. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to add color, style, and structure to your console logs, making your debugging process more efficient and visually appealing. Alright, let's start with the basics. So you are probably familiar with the console.log, the trusty tool for displaying messages in the console. It's the bread and butter of debugging. So I am using a VS Code extension to sync with the browser so that when I make any changes in the code, the changes will appear in the browser immediately. And this is the extension VS Code browser sync. You can also install it. Let's write a hello world message in the console. Notice here that VS Code is offering auto suggestions as I type. Thanks to tab 9, this powerful tool enhances my coding speed by predicting and suggesting the next line of code. It's like having an AI powered coding companion right here in the editor. Let's write the hello world message. So it's just a simple console output. But here's where it gets interesting. Did you know you can add colors to your console logs? That's right. Color coding can help you distinguish between different type of messages. Let's see how it works. So to apply color on the console output, there is a special placeholder that applies CSS styles on the console output. We just need to add the %c before the text, and after the comma we need to apply the styles. So let's add the color blue here and save it. You can see that the color is changed to blue. Now let's take it a step further. You can apply CSS-like styles to your console logs, making text bold, italic, or changing the background. It's like bringing a touch of web design to your debugging. Let's again write some text in the console and apply styles. Let's try again. Console.log. Let's complete the suggested line. Tag color to blue. Font size to 30 pixel. Font weight to bold. Let's save it. And you can see that the color, font size, and font weight are changed. Also, you can apply the CSS styles in an organized way with variables. So you just need to add the styles in a variable, and in the console you can add styles variable instead of CS. Let's create a constant console style is equal to same style like the above line. So we can complete it with the tab, and let's console.log again %c hello world, comma, and variable name. You can see that same style also apply here. There are many methods to write console.logs. The list is available on the MDN website. I have mentioned the link in the description. So first let's check the console.error. You can type the error message in this. Let's type error. This is an error message. You can see that it's printing the error because here this default color is red. Now let's change the styles of it. So we can change the style with the %c also. Let's apply some CSS here, like font size to 20 pixel and change to 20 pixel. Now let's check the console.log and press the tab to complete the line. Let's change the font size to 16 pixel and change the error message to warning message. And you can see that it's coming with the warning sign. If your console gets cluttered, fear not. You can organize your console output using groups. Let's tidy things up. Commenting a console group. Let's write console.group, and here we have to pass the group name. Like we want to create the fruits group, then the heading will be fruits. So we will start it with %c fruits and style color blue and font size 16 pixel, color blue and font weight bold. And in the fruits we can create the console.log with fruit names like apple, %c apple and style font size 12 pixel. And let's copy it two more time and change the fruit name to banana and orange. Let's end the group with console group end. Let's save it. Here you can change that it's coming in the group. All the fruits are coming in the fruits group. You can collapse it also. This group will come as default collapse. There is one more method in the group. With that we can collapse it. So that is console group collapse. So console.group collapse. Here we will do the same thing like we do in the fruits. Let's create this students group. Style font size 20 pixel, font weight bold and console.log. Student name %c like Tom and font size 13 pixel. Let's copy it one more time and change the student name to John and copy one more time and change the name to Carl. Let's end the group console.group end. So, and here you can check that students group is coming and it's by default is collapse. You can open it, you can collapse it. Lastly, let's take it up a notch by creating custom log function. These functions can encapsulate consistent styling and improve code readability. Let's create a function named custom log and pass a parameter message. Here write the console.log function. Here we will use the literal method %c dollar curly braces message comma styles color tail background color white padding 2 pixel 5 pixel. Let's save it and call the function custom log and message custom log message. Save, and you can see that it's coming, but it's not looking good. Let's change the color and background color. So change the color to white and background to blue. Now it's looking good. We have covered a lot today, from basic console log to advanced styling and organization techniques. Remember, styling console result is not just about aesthetic, it's about making your debugging process smoother and more informative. So there you have it. You are now equipped with the skills to style your console result like a pro. Debugging just got a whole lot more interesting. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more JavaScript tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thank you so much.